Sani Nababa. Sani kommt aus Nigeria und beschäftigt sich mit der Frage, wie kann man Lebensmittel länger konservieren durch die Aufbringung eines naturidentischen, völlig ungefährlichen Stoffes. Klingt so schön, um wahr zu sein, aber hören wir es uns an. Sani.
Hello everyone, my name is Sani Nababa. I am the founder of ParaExcel, a Nigerian startup that develops and produces Phytorbit edible cotton. Phytorbit is a bio-based coating which is applied on fruits, vegetables, roots, and tubers to extend the shelf life, at the same time replacing extra packaging, in particular plastic films. The problem: 1/3 of all food produced worldwide is lost due to post-harvest losses. Most of it ends up in landfills, which release 8% of global greenhouse gases, causing global warming, which is manifested in extreme weather, unpredictable precipitation, among other problems. We are also addressing the problem of plastic use, because 40% of global plastic output is for food packaging, and most of it ends up in the ocean, causing other problems. Phytorbit is used to extend the shelf life of fruits, vegetables, roots, and tubers, thereby reducing post-harvest losses. And with reduced post-harvest losses, there will be reduced carbon emission, reduced land and air pollution, increased farmers' income and that of value chain operators, and there will be good health for the general consumer. Apart from that, Phytorbit, when applied on the surface of products, protected against contamination, thereby serving as an excellent packing alternative. Phytorbit is produced using edible raw materials from leaves, seeds, peels, and spices. There is no chemical in the formulation. It is non-toxic, it has antimicrobial properties, and it is easy to apply. The global market for edible cotton was estimated to be more than $2.6 billion in the year 2020, and it is expected to grow at the rate of 7.64% between the year 2021 to 2026. We are calling for partnership with biofarmers and their associations like Demeters, fruits and vegetable wholesalers, retailers, food processors, and logistic companies. Come, let us join hands in cutting down on post-harvest losses, at the same time cutting down on all the problems associated with it. Thank you.